I'm Chapter Chat DIY, and today we're going to turn a wall like this and turn it into a custom wall just like this. So let's get started.
The first step is going to be to mark all the sheets to length. The measurement I need for my room are 89 inches total. I'm just going to use a 4-foot level to run a straight edge across. Next I'll use my circular saw to make the cut. Now I can bring the sheets inside the house and start painting all the edges. I'm using a matte black paint here, and it's so much easier to paint the edges before the sheets are actually up on the wall. Next I'll have to make my cuts for where the outlet's going to go. I'm using an oscillating tool to make the cuts, which works out great. The next step will be adding rows of construction adhesive. Now I can put the brick sheet in place. I pre-marked the sheet where the studs are so I know exactly where to nail. Next I'll cut the last sheet down to length on the table saw. Once the edges were all painted and dry, I can put it in place. I now want to putty all the seams so they kind of blend in once everything's painted. Now the final step is to add a couple of coats of the flat black paint.
Alright, and here's the final wall. Pretty easy project, took about half a day. A lot of it was just kind of waiting for things to dry, waiting for the putty to dry until you can paint, then put another coat of paint on and all that. So if you like this project, please hit that like button, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks.